Ka Roman Fitness Gym, ka jika kilanmet ka babiang tam Hanong Po Riboy District, ka badonru ya ki international equipments, ki bakantup ya ka sauna and steam bath, shower, lockers and functional area. Ka donru ya fitness program, group classes, bodybuilding, strength and conditioning, kettlebell workout, crossfit, animal flow, HIIT, powerlifting, but QA. Ka ilat ya pi hakador ka babit. Nakabanta ki jingtip babnya phone she ki number new nriu sao iwe khandai not nriu new iwe not but new not iwe khandai pra not sansan iwe ar
Komsi benta ban pertu ikinong yale bat ki balong ki sipai ki bahakmat hagajing khun persha eka klam covid khat khandai Nakaliang ka office jongka district disaster management authority Riboy district kalapenlong ika program acknowledge of covid barrier kane ka program ka dei nakabenta ban penkup burom mikinong yale bat kinong trei ki bahakmat hagajing khun persha ban rat dingkhong ika klam covid khat khandai kabalawan leng shop haga jalla nadu banai leber arhajar arpho Hagaba layo ban penkup burom mikinong trei ki bahakmat ki bakanthop nadu ki officer kinong trei jongka district administration ki officer bar ki staff jong ki tanat sarkar ba pher ki bahaka district kinong yelam jong ki snong ba pher ka district bad ikinong lat pathai kubor ki bakanthop nadu ki printed but ki electronic media haba ai jingkran na kaleng kinong yelam jong ka district administration kala ai khublai kerpangru ikinong mi khmat ki bana ka Riboy district ki bakanthop ya baro sangut ki MLA bat sangut ki MDC ki balakloi banyas nokti bat banyaram nagabanta banyele persha bat banrat dingkhong ya ka khlam covid khat khandai Hagane ka sngi lapan lai pai baru ya ka documentary film shaphang kumno ka jingya lenti ka jingtre shitom jong ki bor panya jong ka district administration banyele persha ka khlam covid khat khandai kane ka sngi ka deru ka jingdap ka ba shisnam pura jong ka jingwan ling shop jong ka khlam covid khat khandai ha ka district ba ha ka jilla hi borok away Hagane ka sngi na kalyang ka tanat ka ba dei page ya ka kwat ka khya ha ka district kalabatai banya habay dei ba ka jing ayu injection banya da na ka khlam covid khat khandai
I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, the Swachh Bharat team, for all your efforts, and all of you who had been there from day one. As you know, the duty was so hectic, we never had time to prepare. And I really thank all those officers who were with us from day one. All the ADMs, all the executive magistrates who were empowered to do your duty there at the checkpoint. And also I would like to thank very much the local MLAs of this district for coming forward, to take that responsibility in helping us, in showing us the way, in guiding, to be with us as a team, to, the MDCs too, who came much later, but they were there with us. Then most importantly, I would thank my Chief Secretary for supporting us and for always being there late at night. He's always there till 12 o'clock to guide us. Our Commissioner Secretary Health and also Commissioner Secretary Planning who were there to guide us. Our MD, MHM, who gave us all the support for the hospital, all the logistic support we had got from NHM. And also we have notified the citizen support team, committee, where we have the religious leaders, we have the various NGOs. These people were there to support, and they were giving their role of counseling. They go to the different as I said, SIRD. They had gone to the different quarantine center and provided counseling to the inmates over there. Then I would also like to thank the press. We always have this briefing almost on a day-to-day basis. Initially, we had to, because at that point of time things were very uncertain, and I really thank them because what we had discussed on the day-to-day basis, that was relayed to the people, and I I got information from people belonging to other districts. They always look forward to the press briefing, daily press briefing, because apparently this was not happening elsewhere. So they always kind of get to know the first information from the press releases that we give on a daily basis. I thank all of you for taking this role and for informing our public on what to do and what not to do. I also like to thank Bakhar Sati, who's not here with us today. He's taken looking after housing right now, and apparently assembly is going on, and there's a number of assembly questions that are there. Basirti, our then SP, Bak Masar, who was the DSP traffic. Then we also have other police officers who really helped us, Alpheus and Paila. These guys are there in Birmingham. And also the officers, as you won't believe this, there are officers from other districts who volunteered to come and work with us. But of course that doesn't, we could not take that seriously. They really wanted to come forward and volunteer us here.